everyone, welcome to my fruit and vegetable printing project video. I'm Tess from the Arty Crafty Place and I'm here to share with you some top tips. So thank you guys very much to everyone who has supported our new fruit and vegetable block printing collection. We launched the range a couple of weeks ago now and it's been an absolute hit with you guys, and I just can't wait to see all the creations you've made. It was a really exciting launch for us and it's such a great range of designs that we were absolutely thrilled to add to our collection. So I wanted to share with you what my favourite item is to print with my new fruit and veg blocks, and that's drawstring bags. So I've been making these as fresh produce bags, which I might take to the shop with me, and when I do take to the supermarkets, I get so many compliments because I don't like using the plastic bags that the supermarkets provide. So by taking your own, you're wasting a lot less kind of plastic or paper, and also they look so good. You'll definitely feel very proud walking around the shops with one of these. And like I said, I always get a lot of comments asking where I got them from and things. And I'm always very happy to tell people that I handmade them. Or you might just use them to keep your produce in at home. So I've got a couple of these on the side of my kitchen, also got a couple in the fridge. So they're very versatile and you can use them for lots of different things. So we sell drawstring bags in lots of different sizes. We do sell a set of 5 if you want to get one of each size, which is really good, especially for your produce bags. But it's really lovely to have a variety of sizes because obviously you don't want to store all of your fruit and veg together. It's nice to have a range of different sizes. So you could print a couple for yourself, give a couple away, or print a whole set for somebody as a gift. I am really thinking that I'm going to make a lot of sets of produce bags to give away for Christmas and birthdays that are coming up, because it's such a nice gift to give somebody. But like I said, there's many different uses for them. You could even just use it as a lunch bag, or you could print the fruit and veg designs on the front of a shopping bag. That would also be lovely. But like I said, my favourite is the produce bag. So I'm going to be showing you today how I print my very funky carrot drawstring bag. So I'm just going to be sharing some tips and tricks with you that you can use at home when you're printing yourself. So I'm going to be printing a carrot produce bag. Now, this is one of my favourite designs, so I can't stop using this, and I just think it looks really funky on the produce bags. So I'm just using our large cotton drawstring bag, and you can see it's this lovely natural colour, which actually works really well as a produce bag because it feels quite rustic. And the paint colours I'm using our new leafy green fabric paint, which was an exclusive limited colour that we've created to go with the fruit and veg blocks. Because this works on the top of all the vegetables, you know, on the top of the cherries, the beetroot, the carrot, the lemons. It works for the pears, the apples. So this is a really good colour to have. And then also I'm just using our normal bright orange fabric paint for the bottom of the carrot. So when you're printing a bag or a double-sided item, it's really important that you have something inside that's going to stop any paint from going through. So quite often you might have your foam mat inside, but on this case, I've just got a plain piece of scrap paper inside, and that's going to stop any paint from going through to the other side. And then I've got my carrot block and I've got 2 sponge dabbers for this. As I'm going to do the top green and the bottom orange, I'm just using 2. So I've got a larger one and a smaller one for the leafy bit at the top. Now, when you're doing your fruit and veg bags, you can obviously do them completely random. You can do multiple designs on a bag. I'm actually going to stick to quite a contemporary design because I've really been loving this, and that's just to do a row of carrots just along the middle of it. I feel that that looks really nice, like the one I've done here earlier. And when it's sat on the side of my kitchen, it just looks gorgeous. So I'm going to kind of work out quickly how many I can fit on there. And the lovely thing about this is I like to kind of twist and turn it slightly, so they're not all, you know, very straight and regimented. So I think I can fit about 5 on here. Let's have a look. So to get started, I'm going to tap the paint on my block. So I'm going to get right up to the top of the carrot body, making sure I'm not going to have any gap, you know, any white space in between the 2 adjoining colours, because you don't want a gap. So just be quite precise and get right up to there. And then I'm going to print a row across the middle of my drawstring bag. I have done several that have been all over, but personally my style for the fruit and veg bags, I'm really liking quite contemporary. And this row of carrots along the middle just really stands out to me. So that's what I'm going to be doing for this one. So first of all, I'm going to start at the very edge and get my first one in. Like with other projects, I tend to do goalposts, and then you can work out how many you can fit in the middle. So if we do one at the side, and then I'm just going to reapply the paint. Get all the paint on the block. And then I'm going to do one the other side. I've actually got lined paper under here in my bag, which I can slightly see, which also works as a line guide, so that's quite useful. So there you go, there's my goalposts. And now I can work out how many I can fit in between. So I think I should be able to fit 3 in. So I'm going to squeeze my 3 in and I'll show you where I get to. And there we have it, my lovely row of carrots. So I'm going to pull the paper out from the inside, and you can see it's caught quite a lot of paint. So it's definitely worth having that in. And then all you're going to do is leave this to dry just for 5 minutes until it's totally touch dry. And then you can iron this. So you iron directly on top of the paint all over. Make sure each print is getting really hot, and that will set your paint and make it totally permanent and washable. Because obviously with your fruit and veg bags, they might get a little bit dirty, so you really want to be able to wash them. And here's my finished carrot bag. So I've also printed the other side as well. And you can see I've kind of moved the carrots up and down and slanted them side to side, as you don't want them all to be standing in straight rows. And I think that really adds to the kind of organic feel of the bag. So then all that's left to do is pop down to your local supermarket, fill it up with some fresh produce and take it home with you. So I hope this has shown you just how easy printing your own fruit and veg bags are. If you have never printed a drawstring bag before, they're very easy and very simple to print. My only tip would be that this is a little bit of a thicker fabric, so you might find that holding the block down for 5 to 10 seconds, maybe longer than you would do on a softer piece of fabric, will really help the fabric take the paint and give you stronger prints. So hopefully you guys have been inspired to have a go at printing your own fruit and vegetable bags. It's much more sustainable, eco-friendly, and they look gorgeous. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.